Hi everyone, welcome to our new format for Weekly Motivator. We're going to do something here called Collaborative Captions, and it is Team Challenge A. This is how we're going to do our Weekly Motivator this week. So, um, so we're going to talk about memes, images, and tweets. Oh my. Here we go. Here's an example of what you'll get. This is a Google slide, and you will get a slide for each one of your teams. They're already going to be labeled, so make sure you check out and that you are working on the right one. So if you're learning team 1, make sure that you have learning team 1 for your section and your course. So if you're 2311 or 4311, be sure that you're on the right slide. Once you find your right slide, then you're going to look down here and you've got a couple of different tech tools that you're going to use. This guy right here, his name is Cooper. He's a former student of mine. It's going to probably drive you crazy by the end of this video, but he's so funny. So you have a meme, a GIF, a Vine, a video, an image, infographic, and tweet. So you're going to put these on here. So you'll see I have an image here. And the reason that I have this image is because I created a Facebook page at the school I used to work with. And that is an example of one of our themes for the month. And our themes are ethics and power, ethics and communication, technology and education, and sports motivation. This is an example of, this picture right here was an example of technology and education. I used it to create groups and send information and images to parents, and I think you'll also like that I took all the legs off all the tables in my room and the kids sat on cushions and carpet, so kind of fun. This is an example of ethics and communication. Is it ethical to use this image of Frida Kahlo? But it's also a way for a picture to express 1,000 words. It's a meme. It's making fun of something, and it's often sarcastic. This is a GIF or a Vine, so it's that repeating video. There's lots of different apps you can use to make these, but you can also just find people as long as you give credit where credit is due. And then because we have so many student athletes in this course, we decided to add one more theme to our weekly motivator this week, and that's sports. Motivational for sports. So this is an example of an infographic about my favorite sport, which is yoga. I love this infographic. It's just really unique, and it has a lot of data conveyed by images. So that's what an infographic is. This is another sports motivational video. If you want to watch the video, it links right here, but you have to be in present mode. So click present and then click the video and then it will play. But now you'll notice I don't have a tweet here. So my slide is already getting a little bit cluttered. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to say slide, duplicate slide, or new slide. Probably duplicate slide because then it'll have the same formatting. And then I'm going to take all these off and I'm going to go and find, because I already used those, maybe I'll move them around a little bit. I'll keep these two here. I'll make them so that they're nice and pretty and it's not too cluttered. And I'm going to go up to Twitter, and I found this great tweet by Tiffany, and I love this, and it's such a good image. You're going to take a screenshot of your own tweet. I'm just using this as an example. So I'm on a Mac, so I do Command-Shift-4, and I get those little crosshairs there, and I can take a screenshot of this tweet. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Windows, I think you can use snipping tools. And I'm going to now insert image, and then I'm going to go click here, drag an image to upload, and then I'm going to select the screenshot that I just took and open. And now you'll see that that image will upload, and it's kind of big, so I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to resize and move it. And I'm going to make sure to label it with a text box of what this is. So I think this is another example of technology and education. So I might click it here and I'll copy it and I'll get a text box and I will label it. Now that's kind of little, so I might make it a little bit bigger. I think you get the picture. So once I have it labeled, I could even number it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I might add a few notes here. So I think this is a great example of using tech to address difficulties in school. Some kids have a harder time typing, or they don't have the manual dexterity, or typing is more stressful for them. So this is a great way to use voice typing in Google Docs. And then I would put my name here. So I know who contributed that. Everybody should contribute to the weekly motivator, to your team's slides. Now, how you divide that up is up to you. We do not want to micromanage you. We want this to be a collaborative document that people can edit. And then in the end, we'll have a finished presentation where we can see everyone's different images. So good luck with this. Hope we have some fun. I hope also that you all post something really original and don't edit on somebody else's slide, and try not to do overlap. So like I put that People Are Awesome video on there, so you wouldn't want to put the People Are Awesome video and be repetitive. That'd be super boring. So let's try for some originality and some fun.